a beautiful morning! Wake up, sleepyheads! We're having a picnic today! Picnic! Picnic!
Oh, Kiki! Slowly, Kiki.
I'm cleaning super fast!
Go! Go, Mo!
Got it! I almost got it!
How about over there? It's perfect! Wow!
Kiki, sit on the bench.
A ball! I caught it!
The bid shop.
Wow!
I'll find it. Hee. This isn't the ball. Huh?
Look carefully! We need teamwork.
There it is!
There it is!
Kiki, please get off the railing.
I'm balancing! I'm balancing!
I'm okay.
Got it! Now we can finally have our picnic! It looks wonderful! Wow! This is the best picnic. Wait! Wow, look at its colors. It's so tiny. Let's be quiet. Maybe it's hungry. Hold on! I can't see!
Everyone ready?
Ready! Ha-ha! Race you home! Hey, wait for me! Wow, Bobo!
Big bear, big speed.
Huh? Need a banana?
You ate them all.
There it is! Home! We made it! Today didn't go exactly as planned, but it was fun! That's what friends are for. Remember, explorers, the best adventures are made with good friends and teamwork. Follow us on YouTube, Mini Explorers, for more fun adventures. See you next time!